Hello students, I welcome you all to the number one YouTube channel Aveti Learning, which only works for your academic enhancement, especially during the lockdown period. So how is it? Have you all enjoyed our live classes? Okay, fantastic. Okay, thank you so much. So now tell me, am I audible to you all? Then please type yes in the comment box. Okay. Okay, thank you so much. And how are you all? All good? All of you have prepared for the new class? For the new English class? Okay, so here we go. But before that, let me tell you how can you join in our live class. Okay, so it's very easy. You just have to subscribe our YouTube channel Aveti Learning and press the bell icon to get more notifications. If you have not subscribed yet, then don't waste your time. Quickly subscribe. So we are continuing with the chapter tense revisited, and in our previous classes we have started that how to express past time. Okay. So here are the ways of expressing the past time. There are 6 ways. One is present perfect tense, secondly present perfect continuous tense, then past indefinite tense or simple past tense, then number 4 past continuous tense or past progressive tense, then number 5 past perfect tense, then number 6 past perfect continuous tense or past perfect progressive tense. Okay, so these are the 6 ways to express the past time. So present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense are already over. So now it is the time to express the past time through past indefinite tense or simple past tense. Okay, so here are the structure, and the structure is subject plus MV2 plus object. Okay, so for example, I ate a mango. So here I is a subject and ate is MV2. MV2 means the past tense of the verb. Past tense of the verb, of the main verb. Past tense of the main verb. Okay, like eat, ate, eaten. Okay, so this is V1, this is V2 and this is V3. So past indefinite tense goes with V2. Okay. So here also at is M V2 and a mango is object. Okay. So example number 2, that is they went to school. Here is also they is subject, went is MV2, then to school is object. Okay. Then Amrit played cricket. Here is also Amrit is subject, then played is MV2 and cricket is object. Okay. So there is no such changes in V2 because it goes with any kind of noun. There is no, there is no changes in V2. Okay. Whatever the noun singular or plural, it goes with them as it is. Okay. So let's know about the use of past indefinite tense or simple past tense. So the rule number 1. To express an action which completed at some certain time in the past. Any kind of action which is completed, already completed at some certain time limit. ଏକ ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦିଷ୍ଟ ସମୟରେ ଯେକୌଣସି ଏକ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ରୂପେ ସମାପ୍ତ ହୋଇଯାଇଛି ତ ସେହି କ୍ଷେତ୍ରରେ ଆମେ ସିମ୍ପଲ ପାଷ୍ଟ ବା ପାଷ୍ଟ ଇନଡେଫିନାଇଟ୍ ଟେନ୍ସର ବ୍ୟବହାର କରିଥାଉ. ଫର ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ, The Prime Minister came here yesterday. ପ୍ରଧାନମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଗତକାଲି ଏଠାକୁ ଆସିଥିଲେ. Okay, so it refers to a certain period of time like yesterday. ଯେତେବେଳେ yesterday यूज ହୋଇଥାଏ, yesterdayର ବ୍ୟବହାର ହୋଇଥାଏ କେବଳ yesterday. ଏହି ସମୟକୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ବୁଝାଯାଏ ତାହେଲେ ସେତେବେଳେ ସବୁବେଳେ କେବଳ ସିମ୍ପଲ ପାଷ୍ଟ ହିଁ यूज ହେବ. ହେଲା, କେବଳ ସିମ୍ପଲ ପାଷ୍ଟ ଟେନ୍ସର ବ୍ୟବହାର ହିଁ ହେବ. Another example, Mahatma Gandhi died in 1948. Okay, so this is also 1948 is also a period of time. It refers to a particular year which is in the past. So 1948 मसीहा जेहेतु यह गोटे पर्टिकुलर समय को बुझाऊँगी. महात्मा गांधी केबे मृत्युवरण करथिले 1948 मसीह मृत्युवरण करथिले. तो एटा को निर्दिष्ट समय को बुझाइला. तेणु यह को मध्य आमे जेतेबेले व्यक्त करथाउ सेतेबेले मध्य पास्ट सिंपल टेंस रो व्यवहार आमे करिथाउ. Who built Taj Mahal? In this case also, Taj Mahal was built in past. So while we are asking somebody, so who built Taj Mahal? So in this case also, past simple tense is to be used. Taj Mahal किए बनैथिले? जेहेतु एक निर्दिष्ट समय रे मुगल मानक समय रे शाहजहां ताजमहल टी को बनैथिले. तेणु अतीतर एक निर्दिष्ट समय घटना. तेणु आम जिते प्रश्न करूँ किए ताजमहल किए बनई न पचारि ताजमहल किए बनई आम ए प्रकार क्वेश्चन करिथाउ. तो ए क्षेत्र रे मध्य सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस रो व्यवहार होता है बिकॉज इट इज ऑल्सो रिप्रेजेंटिंग अ पर्टिकुलर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. ओके, again rule number 2. To express an action which happened over a period of time in the past. Over a period of time, a particular period of time. Okay, so the action which is continued for a particular period of time, like जेमती कि बहुत समय धरी एक कार्य जदि चलुथिबो अतीतरे तो सही समय को बा सही कार्य को मध्य दर्शाइबा पई आमे सिंपल पास्ट रो व्यवहार करथाउ. चलंतु उदाहरण माध्यम रे जानिबा. For example, the British ruled over India many years. इंग्रेज माने बहुत समय धरी भारत को शासन करुथिले. तो एई क्षेत्र रे मध्य पास्ट सिंपल टेंस रो व्यवहार करा जिवो. Because the British ruled over India many years, means many years refers to over a period of time. Okay, 100 years, 200 years, so it is over a period of time. So this time is already over. So to mention them, we can use past simple tense or past indefinite tense. Okay. Another example is It rained half an hour ago. Okay, so half an hour ago it was raining. Okay, to mention that situation also we can use simple past tense. ଅଧା ଘଣ୍ଟା ତଳେ ବର୍ଷା ହେଉଥିଲା ଅର୍ଥାତ୍ ବର୍ଷା ଯେତେବେଳେ ହୁଏ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ହେଇକି ବନ ହେଇକି କିଛି ସମୟ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଏଇଟା କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ କରେ ହେଲା ତ ସେଇ ସିଚୁଏସନକୁ ଦର୍ଶାଇବା ପାଇଁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଆମେ ସିମ୍ପଲ ପାଷ୍ଟ ଅର୍ ପାଷ୍ଟ ଇନଡେଫିନାଇଟ୍ ଟେନ୍ସର ବ୍ୟବହାର କରିଥାଉ. So students, this is all about the use of simple past tense. So there are two rules. How can you use that? Okay, to express the past time. So I hope all of you have got the idea, all of you have understood the point thoroughly. So we will meet in the next question answer round in the quiz section. Okay, so let me give you some homework, and your homework is Tense Revisited assignment 5. So where do you find assignment 5? Let me tell you. I know all of you have downloaded the app Aveti Learning, so you just have to go through the app and find out the grammar section, Tense Revisited. There are so many assignments are there, around 200 questions are there from Tense Revisited. Okay, so you should have to write down the question answer from assignment 5. Okay, and I will inform you that who did the answer so quickly and so fast. I will mention their name in my next classes. Okay, so all the best for that. And it is the Aveti official WhatsApp number, that is 7894040614. You can ask any kind of question, any kind of query, any kind of doubt related to your topic, related to your learning materials. We are here to solve your problem related to the learning. Okay, any kind of problem you are facing while going through our videos, video lectures, or our live classes, any kind of questions, any kind of queries arises in your mind, then don't hesitate, just ask through this WhatsApp number. Okay, as we are providing you free online classes and learning resources to Odia medium students during COVID-19 pandemic, which is an initiative by Aveti Learning. So students, today is this much. We will meet in our next session with a new concept, with some new questions. Till then, don't go anywhere. Keep learning, activate your learning, enhance your learning with the authentic learning, Aveti Learning. Thank you. Love you so much.